Your home should be a reflection of you. It should be full of pieces made with precision and authenticity. Things you can rely on. Things that tell a story, your story. And in our day and age, well, that can be hard to find. But what if there were people who made just what you need? What if there was a place where skilled artisans still built home essentials by hand? What began as a custom carriage door business turned into making handcrafted doors, hardware, and home accents. And from the beginning, we've done things differently. We believe in a return to craftsmanship, in making things ourselves, because that's how you build something that lasts. And we believe in sourcing the best possible materials because we make doors and hardware for people like us, people who refuse to compromise on quality, people who want something real and believe in their own unique vision. We have the expertise to make your vision come to life. Now's not the time to start compromising. It's time for the real thing. Build something real with RealCraft.